Alright, we have our last pack of Jumpstart for now. Remember, we're trying to get Limvala, so we are hoping, praying for angels. And let's see what we got. Minotaurs. Alright. Jumpstart has more archetypes than I thought it did. God, Minotaurs. I guess that's one of the reasons this set is so fantastic. Let's see what we got. And, ooh, okay, Sethron. Sethron, Blood Rage Brawler. Ooh, Herald's Horn. That's a very good card. Herald's Horn, Verger, Soul Seer, Sure Strike, Borderland Minotaur, and oh, I'm out of time. Here's the rest of them. Why is it so quick?